Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Phone. Next, tap on Wi-Fi calling. And in here, tap on the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Next, tap on the enable if you want to switch this on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to your settings menu, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.